highs around 8 above. Northwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Chance of snow 50%. Wind chill readings as low as 31 below. Tuesday night, areas of blowing snow.
Oh my god, another one!
National Weather Service and snow squall warning for northeastern Piscataquis County in north central Maine, east central
We have another one! Caleb, we have another one!
Penobscot County in east central Maine until 10:45 p.m.
Caleb, we have another one!
At 9:35 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from 12
Caleb, we have
miles
another one!
east of Churchill and to 7 miles north of Olton, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazard near whiteout conditions. Zero visibility in snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Interstate 95 between mile markers 281 and 304. Highway 1 between Cary and Littleton. State Highway 11 near Knowles Corner. Locations
have another
include
EAS.
Holton, Hodgson,
We have another
Smyrna,
EAS.
Amity, Mount Chase, Oxbow, Dudley Township, Rethorn Crossing, Cary Plantation, Smyrna Mills, Littleton, Linneus, Monticello, Oakfield, New Limerick, Ludlow, Merrill, Cary, Dyer Brook, and Hersey. Travel is not advised during this dangerous snow squall. Rapid visibility reduction and potentially icy roads are likely to lead to accidents. Consider delaying travel until the squall passes your location. If traveling, pull off to a safe location and turn your headlights on. Here is the short-range forecast for northeast Aroostook County, including Presque Isle, Caribou, and surrounding areas. Wind advisory in effect from 1 a.m. to 8 p.m. Tuesday. Wind chill advisory in effect from 2 a.m. to 10 a.m. Tuesday. Tonight, cloudy with scattered snow showers. Areas are blowing snow after midnight. Snow accumulation around an inch possible. Brisk and much colder with lows around 4 below. West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Increasing to northwest 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour after midnight. Chance of snow 50%. Wind chill readings as low as 26 below. Tuesday, cloudy with scattered snow showers in the morning, then partly sunny in the afternoon. Areas are blowing snow. Windy and much colder with highs around 8 above. Northwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Chance of snow 50%. Wind chill readings as low as 31 below. Tuesday night, areas are blowing snow in the evening. Mostly clear. Brisk. Near steady temperature around 5 above. Northwest winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Becoming west 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour after midnight. Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the lower 20s. West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Wednesday.